Did you know that in the 1920s, being rich could get you killed? This is the shocking story of the Osage murders. In Oklahoma, the Osage tribe struck it rich when oil was found on their land. Each family member got oil rights worth millions of dollars. They were some of the wealthiest people in America. But then something terrible started happening. Osage people began dying under strange circumstances. They were poisoned at dinner, shot in their sleep. Some had their houses blown up with dynamite. At least 60 tribe members died. And here's the twisted part. White settlers were marrying into Osage families, then murdering their new spouses and children to steal their oil money. The local police either looked the other way or helped cover it up. The murders were so bold that the brand new FBI took on their very first big case. What they discovered was horrifying. Doctors, lawyers, and businessmen were all part of a conspiracy. It was one of America's first organized crime rings, but their goal wasn't just money, it was genocide for profit.